Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Redmi Note 8 Pro runs the latest MIUI patch and that a working SIM is in place. Carriers must support Volte. Once done, backup key data. This is precautionary, not mandatory. Now open Settings, tap SIM cards and mobile networks, and select the SIM you want to enable. I'll walk you through the menus so you know how and why each toggle matters. This gets us to the actual Volte switch quickly. Now you enable Volte itself. Tap the target SIM, find Volte calling, and toggle it on. You'll often see a Volte or HD icon near the signal bar. This confirms activation. Make sure preferred network type is set to 4G/3G/2G auto. Otherwise, the phone may drop to 3G and lose Volte. Also enable HD calling or Wi-Fi calling if your carrier supports them, because they improve audio quality and handovers during network changes. Finish by verifying the change. Restart your Redmi Note 8 Pro, check for the Volte or HD icon, and place a call to confirm voice over LTE. Listen for faster call setup and consistent audio. If Volte doesn't appear, contact your carrier to ensure your account is provisioned. Also confirm correct APN and that the SIM slot supports Volte. If needed, toggle airplane mode, reinsert the SIM, or reset network settings. Make sure you've noted Wi-Fi passwords before resetting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.